Good morning children. Today I will discuss about how to write crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10 thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Children, we also learn how many zeros are there in crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10 thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. See children, this is a simple project or a simple working model on this topic. Children, previously I have discussed about the place value chart. If you don't know, you go to my channel and check out those videos. Now start from the right side. The first house belongs to ones. The first house belongs to ones. 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. See children, so many zeros are there before 1. Remember it children, if zeros are placed before a digit, if zeros are placed before a digit, there will be no value of zeros. Okay, the number will be the digit itself. So 1 is equal to 1, no value of zeros. Now 2 ones is equal to 2. 2 ones is equal to 2. Now 3 ones is equal to 3. 3 ones is equal to 3. I am closing it. The second house or second place. The second house or second place belongs to tens. Okay. So 110 is equal to 1 0 10. 110 is equal to 1 0 10. No value of zeros. 2 tens is equal to 2 0 20. 2 tens is equal to 2 0 20. 3 tens is equal to 3 0 30. 3 tens is equal to 3 0 30. Now I am closing it. The third house or third place belongs to hundreds. The third house or third place belongs to hundreds. How to write 100? 100, you have to write, first write 1, after that write 2 zeros. 100 is equal to 100. 100. Okay, so in 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. How to write 200s? 200s. First write 2, after that write 2 zeros. 200s. How to write 300s? First write 3, after that write 2 zeros, because in hundreds there are 2 zeros. So 300s, you have to write 300. 300s. 300s. Now I'm closing it. Now go to the fourth house. The fourth house or fourth place. 1 2 3 4. The fourth house or fourth place belongs to thousands. The fourth house or fourth place belongs to thousands. So how to write 1000? 1, after that write 1 2 3. 3 zeros. 1000 is equal to 1000. 1000. How to write 2000s? First write 2, after that write 1 2 3. 3 zeros. In thousands there are 3 zeros. So 2000s is equal to 2000. Now how to write 3000s? 3, after that write 1 2 3. 3 zeros. 3000s 3000. Understood? I am closing it. Now 1 2 3 4 5. The fifth house belongs to 10,000s. The fifth house belongs to 10,000s. So 1 10,000 equal to, write 1, after that write 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros. Okay, in 10,000 how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros are there. So 1 10,000 is equal to 1, then write 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. Okay, we can say this number in another way also. 1 10,000, 1 10,000 or 10 thousands. Okay, either 1 10,000 this or 10 thousands. How to write? 2 10,000s, 2 10,000s. First write 2, after that write 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. First write 2, after that write 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. So in 10,000s how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 zeros are there. So how to write 2,000 to 10,000s? Write 2, after that write 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. How to write 3 10,000s? First write 3. In 10,000s how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros are there. So 3 10,000s is equal to 3 1 2 3 zeros. Okay, 3 0 0 0 0. We can say this number in another way also. This is 30 thousands. 30 thousands. Go to the next place or next house. The next house belongs to lakhs. The next house belongs to lakhs. How to write 1 lakh? First write 1, after that write 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. So in lakhs how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros are there. How to write 2 lakhs? First write 2, after that write 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. This is 2 lakhs. How to write 3 lakhs? Write 3, after that write 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. In lakhs how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 zeros are there. So 3 lakhs is equal to 3 0 0 0 0 0. Closing it. The next house belongs to 10 lakhs. The next house belongs to 10 lakhs. How to write 1 10 lakh? 1, after that write 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 zeros. Okay, in 10 lakh how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 10 lakh, how we have to write? First write 1, after that write 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Children, we can write this number in another way also. 10 1 0, 10 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros. It means lakhs. This 10 lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. The number is 10 lakhs or 110 lakhs. 110 lakhs or 10 lakhs. How to write 2 10 lakhs? 2, after that write 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 10 lakhs. So in 10 lakhs how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 zeros are there. Okay, so how to write 2 10 lakhs? 2, after that write 6 zeros. 3 10 lakhs, first write 3, after that write 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 10 lakhs is equal to 3, after that write 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 zeros. I am closing it. The last house or last place belongs to crores. Okay, The last house or last place belongs to crores. So in crore, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in crore, 7 zeros are there. Okay, so how to write 1 crore? First write 1. After that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. This is 1 crore. How to write 2 crores? First write 2. After that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. This is 2 crores. The number is this. 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7 zeros. How to write 3 crores? First write 3. After that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 3 crores, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. You practice well, children. This is also very easy. Thank you.